Are you considering moving to Pensacola, Florida and looking for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 3,000 square feet with a screened-in pool and a whole home generator? Well, today I'm going to tour this home in Pensacola, Florida. It is close to Pace, Florida, also close to the hospitals, and all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. This is the front yard of the 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 2955 square feet. This is an Arthur Rutenberg home. The outside is stucco. You have the pavers as you come up to the front door. And the front door is a double door. As you come into the foyer family room, it does have the wood flooring, the recessed lighting, and crown molding. The dining room is in the front of the house. The half moon window. This is 2,955 square feet. So we'll go off to the side here and look at the first bedroom and the half bath. This is the half bath here. The single vanity. And there's a closet in the hallway. The wire shelving, and the first bedroom is in the front of the house. Does have the blinds on the window and the tray ceiling. And it does have a pocket door. And so we come back out to the family room. Off the family room is the main bedroom. That also has the wood flooring. And the main bedroom does have access to the pool area. The crown molding in here as well with the high ceilings. The plant ledge. The main bathroom does have the tile. And this is the cedar shelving. Large walk-in closet. There's also another closet in the main bathroom. You have the double vanity, a separate tub, and then a separate tile shower with the glass doors. And then also the separate water closet. The high ceilings, recessed lighting. We'll go back out to the family room, dining room, and this will take us to the kitchen. There is a pocket door that separates these rooms here into the kitchen. So you got the kitchen, a nook area, and access to the pool. There's also access to the pool from the family room and the main bedroom. That kitchen does have the granite countertops, the custom cabinets, wood cabinets. Have the under cabinet lighting as well, and the soft closed drawers. This is a granite countertop. And then off the kitchen is the laundry area. This room also has the pocket door. And the laundry area is also granite. And we got lots of cabinet space, storage. And then through the laundry room is the 2-car garage. Does have the epoxy flooring, high ceiling, hurricane enforced door. So we come back through the laundry room and the kitchen area. Here is the living room. This is a gas fireplace. The high ceilings in here, vaulted ceilings. And there is another door here that can separate the 2 bedrooms off the kitchen area. So you have bedroom 3 and 4 on this end with a full bathroom. So we'll start with bedroom 3. It does have carpet. Bedroom 3 is in the back of the house. Take a walk out there. And the closet. And then bathroom 2 does have the tile, double vanities. We got a tile shower. There is the seat in the shower as well. Tile all the way to the ceiling with the glass doors. And then bedroom number 4. Here there is a storage in the hallway here, the wood shelving. And bedroom 4 also has the carpet. And the closet as well. So now we will take a walk outside, check out the pool area. The pool is heated. It is a gunite. It does have a hot tub as well. So we come out here. This is a covered patio. You have the outside kitchen here. We got the grill and a sink, the fridge. This is the door that would take you to the main bedroom. This is covered, so you can leave the doors open. This is a gunite pool. And the hot tub. This home does come with the whole home generator. And then off to the side here is a multi-tier deck outside. This is about a half an acre. It's a little bit over half an acre. It's about 0.57. There's your pool equipment. This does also come with a whole home water filtration system. Multiple tier deck out back. There's also fruit trees. Got fruit and nut trees, blueberry bushes. So if this is something that you are considering, you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 3,000 square feet in the Pensacola area, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.